Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing BOYA BY-V10 wireless microphone. So this is how the box looks. Let's unbox it. So they have given USB-A to Type-C wire for charging, a warranty card, start guide. So now they have also given the pouch. Quality seems okay, and a silica gel. This is how the mic looks. This is the mic and receiver. It gets a 360-degree rotation clip. And here you can see the power on button and NR. NR means noise reduction. Quality seems good. So they have changed the branding. Before it used to come differently. Now in 2025 they have changed the branding. The audio you are hearing now is directly from my mobile. Now let me connect the microphone and let's check how the audio quality is. Now let's turn it on. You have to hold the power button for 2 seconds. Now it's turned on. So the blue and red light is blinking means it's not paired. It will automatically get connected when you plug the receiver in your phone. And the receiver also has this Type-C port. So it doesn't need any power. It takes power directly from the mobile or action camera or wherever you are using. So this is for charging. If you are using it in mobile, if your mobile charging gets low, you can directly charge the mobile while using the microphone to my mobile. So now I have plugged in the receiver. Now I have connected the mic to my mobile. The audio you are hearing is now from the BOYA BY-V10 microphone. Now I'll stay quiet. Listen to the surrounding noise. The fan is turned on. Let me turn on the noise reduction mode. You have to click it once and the light turns green. That means the noise reduction mode is enabled. To turn it off, you have to click it once again. It turns blue. It's been turned off. To turn it on again, you have to press it once. So as you heard, in this mic the noise reduction works pretty good. Let me turn it off again. Let me turn it on again. Off. On. Now the audio you are hearing is again from my mobile. Mic is not connected. So this is the difference between mic and normal mobile phone. So I would say for the price it's absolutely worth it. For under 2500 rupees, this is the best wireless microphone available in the market. It has 9 hours of battery capacity and transmission range up to 100 meters. So I would recommend anyone who are planning to buy this product. Link is given in the description. Go check it out. If you liked the video, like and subscribe for more content.